March is one of the best times to plant perennials, especially if you want them to establish before the heat of summer arrives. And if you're planting in front of your house, choosing low-effort plants can make a huge difference in how easy your garden is to maintain. In this video, I'll show you 7 beautiful perennials that are perfect for March planting and can keep the front of your house looking great with very little work. Number 1. Catmint, Cat's Pajamas. Catmint Cat's Pajamas is one of the easiest perennials you can plant in March if you want effortless color in front of your house. Its compact mound of gray-green foliage produces waves of lavender-blue flowers that cover the plant from bottom to top. Unlike older catmint varieties, this cultivar blooms along the entire stem, creating a fuller and more polished look in front-of-house borders. What makes this plant perfect for low-effort gardening is its incredible toughness. It tolerates heat, drought, and poor soil once established, and it rarely needs staking or constant watering. Even better, catmint is naturally resistant to deer and rabbits, which makes it a reliable choice for exposed foundation beds. In the landscape, place Cat's Pajamas toward the front of a sunny border where it softens edges along walkways or garden beds. It pairs beautifully with roses, salvias, and ornamental grasses, creating a relaxed but intentional planting that stays attractive throughout the growing season. Number 2. Salvia Violet Riot. Salvia Violet Riot is a bold perennial that brings vibrant purple color to the front of the house with very little effort. Its upright spikes of deep violet flowers rise above tidy clumps of green foliage, creating strong vertical accents that immediately catch the eye. When planted in early spring, it establishes quickly and begins building structure in the garden before summer arrives. This salvia earns its place on a low-effort list because it thrives in heat and full sun while requiring minimal care. The sturdy stems rarely flop, and the plant naturally reblooms when lightly trimmed after the first flowering cycle. It's also highly attractive to bees and butterflies, making it a great addition for pollinator-friendly front gardens. In front-of-house beds, use Salvia Violet Riot in the middle of borders where its flower spikes can rise above lower plants like Catmint or Dianthus. The result is a layered planting that looks vibrant and dynamic without needing constant maintenance. Number 3. Sedum Back in Black. Sedum Back in Black is a standout perennial for modern front-of-house landscaping. Its deep, nearly black foliage creates dramatic contrast against lighter plants, while clusters of rosy pink flowers appear in late summer. Even before it blooms, the dark leaves provide strong visual structure that elevates the entire border. Sedum is famous for being one of the toughest low-maintenance perennials you can grow. It thrives in full sun, tolerates drought extremely well, and actually prefers lean, well-drained soil. Once established, it requires very little watering or care, making it ideal for gardeners who want strong curb appeal without constant upkeep. In the landscape, place Back in Black toward the middle of a sunny border where its bold foliage can anchor surrounding plants. It pairs beautifully with airy perennials like Catmint or Agastache, creating a balanced front house planting that looks intentional and resilient all season long. Number 4. Agastache Royal Raspberry. Agastache Royal Raspberry is a vibrant perennial that brings both color and movement to the front of the house. Its tall spikes of raspberry pink flowers rise above aromatic foliage, creating a light and airy look that brightens sunny borders. When planted in March, it establishes quickly and begins building strong growth before the heat of summer. This plant is a favorite for low-effort gardening because it thrives in hot, dry conditions and rarely needs extra watering once established. Agastache is also highly attractive to hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies, turning the front of the house into a lively pollinator space. Despite its delicate appearance, it's surprisingly tough and resilient. In the landscape, place royal raspberry toward the middle of a sunny border, where its vertical blooms can rise above lower edging plants. It pairs beautifully with sedum, catmint, and ornamental grasses, creating a relaxed but colorful planting that stays attractive for months. Number 5. Dianthus Paint the Town Magenta. Dianthus Paint the Town Magenta is a compact perennial that adds bold color to front-of-house borders early in the season. Its vibrant magenta flowers bloom above tidy mounds of blue-green foliage, creating a neat and polished edge along garden beds or walkways. The evergreen-like foliage also keeps the plant looking attractive even when it's not in bloom. Dianthus is well known for its low-maintenance nature. It tolerates dry soil, prefers sunny locations, and rarely needs much care once established. Planting it in March allows the roots to settle in early spring so it can produce strong flowering displays as the weather warms. In the landscape, use Paint the Town Magenta along the front of borders or near walkways where its compact habit can shine. It works beautifully as edging around larger perennials, helping create a clean, welcoming look in front-of-house gardens. Number 6. Allium Bobblehead. Allium Bobblehead is a unique ornamental onion that adds playful structure to front-of-house plantings. Its rounded lavender flower heads sit atop upright stems, almost like floating spheres above the foliage. This distinctive shape creates visual interest and adds architectural character to sunny borders. Alliums are known for being exceptionally easy to grow. They tolerate dry conditions, resist deer and rabbits, and rarely suffer from serious pest problems. Once planted, they require very little maintenance, making them a dependable choice for gardeners looking for strong curb appeal with minimal effort. In front-of-house beds, place Bobblehead toward the middle of the border, where its globe-shaped flowers can rise through surrounding plants. It pairs nicely with Catmint, Salvia, and Sedum, helping create a layered planting that feels structured yet natural. Number 7. Amsonia Stormcloud. Amsonia Stormcloud is an elegant perennial that offers interest across multiple seasons. In spring, clusters of soft blue flowers appear above dark stems and glossy green foliage, creating a refined look perfect for the front of the house. As the season progresses, the plant forms a full, bushy mound that brings calm structure to the border. One reason gardeners love Amsonia is its durability. It's extremely hardy, tolerates drought once established, and rarely requires division or frequent maintenance. In autumn, the foliage turns a striking golden yellow, adding another layer of beauty long after many other plants have faded. In the landscape, position Amsonia Stormcloud toward the back or middle of front-of-house borders, where its graceful form can anchor surrounding plants. Combined with lower edging plants and flowering perennials, it helps create a balanced and low-effort garden that looks beautiful through multiple seasons. Planting the right perennials in March can make a huge difference in how easy your front-of-house garden is to maintain throughout the year. By choosing tough, low-effort plants like these, you can create a welcoming landscape that looks beautiful without constant work. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know which perennial you'd plant in front of your house this spring.